Hi, this is Charlie from Path of the Bee. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an entrance reducer.
Okay, so to start out here, I'm using 3/4 stock. This is a 10-inch wide board. I'm going to trim it to 14 5/8 of an inch long. Alright, so now I'm going to cut a 3/8 inch deep dado that's 3/4 of an inch wide right in the center. If you don't have a dado head, you can use a single blade. Once again, just adjust it to 3/8 of an inch deep and then make multiple passes. I like my entrances about 3/4 of an inch wide. Another option here would be to use a router to also cut this groove. Okay, and then we just go ahead and slice them off 3/4 of an inch wide. And here's a shot of the finished product.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.